Yes, in this program, we're asked to write a function in order to compute GCD, greatest common divisor of two given numbers. Okay, so now let us basically solve this problem. Okay, by considering two numbers. Okay, so this is GCD of two given numbers. Now we have a module called fractions module. From this fractions module, you can import GCD function in order to solve this problem very quickly. Okay, so let us first import the respective function called fractions. Okay, so I'm using fractions module here. Now I'll take the first number, which is a. Okay, so as input of okay, I'm prompting the user to enter okay, first number. I'll take first number. Okay, similarly b is equal to int of input of, I'm prompting the user to enter the second number. Okay, now we can start computing the GCD, right? So result is equal to, let us make use of that module, that is fractions module. In the fractions module, we have a function called GCD function. You can see here. So I'm clicking on that function where you will compute GCD among A and B. Okay. So now let us display the result. Okay. That is print GCD value is okay. GCD value is, you can display that result RES. Okay. So let's run this code. Enter the first number. Okay. Suppose if the first number is 21 and second number is 14. What is the greatest common divisor? Okay. You can see GCD value is 7 here. Okay. So, and you can also apply this on math module. Let us suppose you're writing, making use of math here. And from math also you can apply this fractions. Okay, that is GCD. So you can observe, enter the first number. So this time I'm entering 21 and second number is 14, and you can see this GCD result as 7. Okay, so this is how you can make use of modules like math module or fractions module in order to obtain the GCD of the two given numbers. Okay, suppose if I want to solve the same problem, okay, without using any module, then I can solve this with the help of a loop. Let us suppose I'm trying to take a while loop in order to solve this problem. Okay, so or you can write your own function. Okay, user defined function. So find GCD is the name of the function where I'm passing a and b as parameters to this function, right? So let us implement this function called find GCD function. Find GCD of, okay, I'm using m comma n, let us suppose. Okay, so while this m is not equal to n, okay, in that context you're going to compute here. If suppose m is greater than n, so you modify this as m is equal to m minus n. Okay, in the else block, it means n value is greater than m. So you can modify like this, n is equal to n minus m, because whenever m is equal to n, this condition will be failed and it will not enter inside this loop, right? So there are only two possibilities, either m is greater than n or m is less than n. Okay, clear? So finally you can print any of these values, either m or n. Okay, so let us suppose I'm printing n here. So let's run this code and see the result. I'm entering the first number as 21 and the second number as 14, and you can see the result is 7. Okay, so this is how you can write your own function in order to solve this problem, or you can also make use of built-in functions which will produce the results quickly. Okay.